Hello Miki.
Hello teacher.
Okay, today we will practice reading a story about
Birds.
Zach. Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's get started. First, we need to review the vocabularies. What is this?
It's a tree. It's a X. It's a tail. It's sand. It's singing songs, and it's singing like a bird. And it's a cat. It's a bird. It's a leg. And it's a flowers too.
Okay, do you have trees at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you know the name of the tree?
This is sugar song and it's a cup and this person
And
it's goats.
goats. Good. Do you like eating eggs? Do you like eating eggs?
Yes.
Can you cook fried eggs?
Yes.
Yes. How often do you cook?
Everything.
You cook every day?
Yes, every day.
Okay. Who do you cook with?
With my mom.
I cook with my mom.
I cook with my mom.
Very good. Why this?
What?
No. Why this?
Tail.
Yeah. Do you have a tail?
Uh,
Do you have a tail?
No.
No. Yes. What are they?
Next,
Legs. How many legs do you have?
I have 2 legs.
Okay. Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it's cute.
Do you have a cat at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you have cats at home?
No, I don't.
Yes. No. Okay. Okay. Are you ready to start?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I live in a tree. I was my baby come from small eggs. I have got a tail at the end of my body. I can walk
Yes.
on my two legs. I sing
Yes.
beautiful songs.
Mm-hmm.
Some cats catch me. What am I? I am a bird.
Good job. Thank you, Miki.
Do you do job?